Hello students, I am going to discuss solution of question number 19, phase 1, motion in a straight line. So here is saying, here t is a function of x is given. So far we have studied x as a function of t. So here t is as a function of x is given. Alpha x square plus beta x. As there is property in derivatives, dx by dt is equal to 1 by dt by dx, right? So this property I am going to apply here. So we will get here, okay, so that retardation is 2 alpha v. So you will get here, if you differentiate this, you will get here 1 divided by 2 alpha x plus beta. This is, we got, this will give you velocity. Okay. How will you find acceleration here? So A is equal to dv by dt. So this, now see, v is a function of x here, right? So I have to differentiate with respect to x, then x with respect to t. So this will become dv by dx into dx by dt, right? And dv by dx will become how much? It will become just derivative of this 2 alpha x plus beta with respect to x. So we'll get 2 alpha, right? At dx by dt, already we have got the value. This will give you, it will give you 2 alpha divided by, 2 alpha x. See, dv by dx, right? So dv by dx is this value. So once you differentiate this, you will get it like this. So this is dv by dx. So dv by dx, for this I will apply u by v rule. So it will become 2 alpha x plus beta the whole square minus, right? Minus what? 1 into dy dx of 2 alpha x plus beta. And dx by dt already we have value. 1 by 2 alpha x plus beta the beta, right? So you're going to get here minus 2 alpha and so you will get here minus 2 alpha and minus 2 alpha divided by 2 alpha x plus beta the whole square, right? And this value I got, this is nothing but v actually, right? So it's asking, so the retardation is 2 alpha v. This I can write here, this will become how much? This will become v, right? And this value is what? This value is v is equal to 1 by 2 alpha x plus v, right? 2 alpha 1 by 2 alpha x plus beta. So this value will become v square, right? 1 by 2 alpha x plus beta the whole square will become v square. So this will become minus 2 alpha into v square into v. So this will become minus 2 alpha into v cube, right? That means in this question, this is not 2 alpha v. This will become 2 alpha in v cube, right? This question. It's not 2 alpha v, it's 2 alpha v cube. And minus indicates that it's retarding. That's it. Okay. So this is a solution for this. Correct this question. So I got minus 2 alpha into v cube. Okay, students, fine. So thank you.